The moment action camera fans have been waiting for has finally arrived. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is here, and it's making some bold promises that are hard to ignore. For months, the internet has been buzzing with leaks, rumors, and speculation about what GoPro's next big release would bring. And now, the Hero 14 Black is ready to show its hand. From cutting-edge 8K video capture and smarter stabilization to longer-lasting battery life and seamless connectivity, this camera looks like it's set to raise the bar yet again. But here's the million-dollar question. Is this truly a groundbreaking leap forward, or just another incremental step in the same direction? In this video, we're going to break it all down for you. We'll explore its design, dive into the new features, test its performance in real-world conditions, and see if it still deserves its crown as the ultimate action camera in 2025. The GoPro Hero 14 Black builds on GoPro's tried-and-true rugged design, but with refinements that make it tougher and more user-friendly in demanding situations. Still waterproof without a case, the body is now slimmer and sleeker, offering improved heat management so creators can film longer without overheating interruptions. The buttons have been redesigned for better tactile response, which is especially useful when wearing gloves or filming in wet environments. On the display side, the front screen may now feature a higher refresh rate for smoother previews, while the rear touchscreen is brighter, ensuring you can clearly see your framing even in harsh sunlight. These subtle improvements show GoPro's commitment to usability. Where the Hero 14 Black truly shines is performance. Native 8K recording at 30 frames per second delivers cinematic visuals that rival professional-grade cameras, while 4K at a stunning 240 frames per second unlocks jaw-dropping slow-motion footage that's perfect for sports and high-action moments. A larger sensor significantly improves low-light performance, producing sharper and cleaner results at concerts, night trails, or indoor arenas. Hyper-smooth stabilization, now in its 7th generation, ensures buttery smooth footage even in extreme conditions, whether you're racing down a rocky mountain trail or leaping out of a plane at high speeds. Beyond raw specs, GoPro has added creative tools designed to make filming smarter and faster. AI-assisted framing automatically keeps your subject centered no matter how unpredictable the movement, while advanced horizon leveling locks orientation even if you flip the camera upside down, a feature athletes like snowboarders or gymnasts will love. Expanded cinematic presets mean you can capture polished footage without diving into manual settings, while quick capture modes allow you to start filming instantly at your preferred configuration. These upgrades aren't just about power, they're about saving time and letting creators focus on the action rather than the controls. Battery life is another area where the Hero 14 Black steps up. A higher capacity battery, combined with improved thermal efficiency, gives you longer recording times, reportedly pushing close to 2.5 hours at 4K resolution. Rapid USB-C charging gets the battery back to 80% in under half an hour, so you can recharge quickly between sessions and keep the adventure going without long breaks. Connectivity has also been refined. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 support, transferring files to your smartphone or the GoPro app is faster and smoother than before. The app itself is expected to see improvements, including enhanced in-app editing features, stronger cloud backups, and even the possibility of live 4K streaming. This makes it easier than ever to share your adventures instantly with friends, family, or followers. Taken together, the GoPro Hero 14 Black doesn't feel like a minor update. It's a significant step forward in design, performance, and creativity. For adventurers, athletes, vloggers, or content creators, this camera is shaping up to be one of GoPro's most complete and powerful releases yet. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the GoPro Hero 14 Black. From design refinements that make it more durable and user-friendly, to stunning 8K video capture, smarter AI tools, extended battery life, and stronger connectivity, this camera looks like it's built to handle any adventure you throw at it. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie filming epic outdoor moments, a vlogger documenting daily life, or a creator experimenting with new angles and perspectives, the Hero 14 Black has the tools to keep up with your vision. But now it's over to you. What do you think of the Hero 14 Black? Do these upgrades feel like a true leap forward, or is your current GoPro still meeting your needs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear them. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights right here on Technify.